Mr. Deputy Speaker, this morning I rise before this Honorable House to lay the 2020 audited financial statement for the Bermuda College as stipulated in Section 8 of the Bermuda College Act 1974. Mr. Deputy Speaker, I am pleased to report that the 2020 audited statements are unqualified, and as such, in the opinion of the Auditor General, the statements present fairly the financial position of the Bermuda College as at March 31st, 2020, and the results of its operations, changes in its net assets and cash flows. The financial statements indicate that Bermuda College had assets worth $22,535,958 and total liabilities of $18,236,334. Additionally, Mr. Deputy Speaker, it should be noted that the Bermuda College currently has no long-term debt. Cash and cash equivalents for the fiscal period decreased by 10.7% to $104,426. The accounts receivable increased by 22.3% to $1,062,359, and the accounts payable increased by 9.8% and stood at $2,957,052 at the end of the 2020 fiscal year. Mr. Speaker, the net book value of capital assets as of March 31st, 2020 was $15,555,788, down 6.6% or $1,093,366 from last year's total. With Bermuda College Foundation malfunction, it is anticipated that the college's asset base and associated depreciation will increase over time. Mr. Deputy Speaker, during the fiscal year ended March 31st, 2020, government operational grant increased by $125,000, while other revenues increased marginally by $13,570. However, during the same period, academic services and administration expenses and public relations increased by $622,690, resulting in a deficit of $483,616 at the end of the 2020 fiscal year. Mr. Deputy Speaker, during the past several years, Bermuda College and the Office of the Auditor General have worked assiduously to get the college's audits up to date in order for the Bermuda College to comply with the financial standards of its accreditors. Last year, with the tabling of the 2018 and 2019 audited statements, all outstanding audits for Bermuda College were completed, and with the tabling of the 2020 audited financial statements, Bermuda College's audits are all up to date. Mr. Deputy Speaker, looking ahead, the audited file for the year ended March 31st, 2021 is currently with the Office of the Auditor General, and the audit is scheduled to begin planning meetings scheduled for July 16th, 2021. The audit is expected to be completed by September 30th, 2021, as per the Bermuda College Act. Mr. Deputy Speaker, in closing, acknowledgement and thanks given to the former Auditor General, Ms. Heather Jacobs Matthews, the current Auditor General, Ms. Heather Thomas, and the team at the Office of the Auditor General for their efforts in helping to bring Bermuda College up to date with its audits. Thanks is also extended to the faculty and staff at Bermuda College and the leadership of President Dr. Duranda Green for their support and continued commitment to deliver quality tertiary education to the broad